That's a very secure canoe.
Made it myself, no leaks.
Are we heading out?
Oh, wait up!
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay. Oh, paddles.
Paddles?
Paddles.
Paddles?
You get the paddles?
I think they're oars.
No paddles for you today.
What's the difference between a paddle and an oar?
I think it's shape.
Well, an oar is for like a rowboat and a paddle is for like a canoe.
Oh wait, no.
I've had enough of you cities stealing my canoe.
Well, our friend made it.
Yeah, we're just
No leaks.
You mean stealing the whole concept of canoes from the Native American people?
That's right.
Okay, that I can agree with.
We're so sorry, sir.
I wasn't trying to culturally appropriate. It was a woodworking class.
We had boats in our own ancient cultures too.
It's not even real deerskin.
Like Viking ships and
Vikings?
what else?
My ancestors were landlocked, so this was a big step.
Rafts made out of reeds. Anyway,
Shall I just shove us in?
We need
we need the oars.
Oh, the paddles or the oars?
My great grandfather had a horse.
A horse?
Yeah.
Did he lose it?
Well, I think it died before him.
Can we rent some oars, sir? We'll pay money.
Horses live 25 years at most.
One,
It's going to
two,
cost you.
Four oars. 4 oars.
This canoe appears to be vital.
4 oars.
That is an
Thank
outrage.
you.
That's an outrage to my people.
Oh,
It's vinyl.
It's vital. It's not real deerskin.
well,
No.
It's vinyl over wood.
I'm a vegan.
No one puts vinyl over wood. It's either wood or it's deerskin.
Well, I had to do the final. See, no leaks.
Look, dude, we just need paddles.
All right, let's push off.
It's going to cost you.
We're gonna float aimlessly if you don't have paddles.
This guy's giving me the creeps.
It'll just get down and we'll...
It's a rapid river.
It's not that rapid. It looks nice and calm
A
by
little
here.
bit rapid.
I am not going on a canoe without a paddle.
It's your canoe.
I made the canoe. I just expected paddle and oars.
I normally rent paddles, but I'm feeling cheated. I need a reparation for my people.
That's a strong word.
Let's push off. Let's just push off.
Are you Cherokee?
Seminole and Iroquois, which later became Cherokee, so yes.
Okay, so now we have a different problem. You see what I was saying?
It's going to be fine, all right?
Hold on!
Since when are there dolphins in the river?
The river dolphins!
My pants are getting wet!
I can see a bank over there.
Alright, let's swim for it!
Oh, shit!
Oh god!
Okay, you still got your steer. Don't fall in
I'm
there.
so scared!
Look, just paddle over to the bank.
My arms are too short!
No.
Oh god!
No! Shit!
Hold on! It looks like... Okay.
Okay, let's calm down.
Oh god.
Okay, here we go. Let's get off. Oof. We survived.
So... I don't have any of our camping gear. We totally pushed off right in the middle of when I just remembered. And then things got crazy.
Oh, we can walk back up.
Oh.
Can't be here for a minute.
Damn it!
Wait a minute. Is that a vinyl canoe?
Oh, God damn it.
I need a reparation to my people.
Okay.
Whatever you want, man.
Yeah, we've got money.
160,000 per each of you.
Okay, we don't have that kind of money.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, I just remembered I forgot my wallet in my car with all my camping gear.
let's just walk up.
Walk up?
Yeah, we've only come, what, 20 miles downstream?
One scalp from each of you.
One scalp?
Scallop.
A I mean, Cherokees didn't normally scout, but I'm gonna make an exception in this case.
Does that imply hours?
Now that's a knife.
That isn't
See, that's an Australian thing. You're all over the map, man.
And I kept my accent.
Get out of here, man!
Dude, right, I'm getting out of this.
Look, you know what? Have the canoe. Dude, have the canoe.
I don't want to buy a canoe.
Take the vinyl off, it's wood underneath. Might get leaky though.
So the wood doesn't fit well together.
Just going by what my friend says.
A leaky canoe.
Yeah, that's all we have to offer. I'm keeping my scalp.
Fair enough. But all you get is an LED lantern.
Cool.
Thank you, it's getting dark. We need to
This
see.
was the best class reunion trip I've ever been on.
Yeah? Right. Good luck.
Yeah, have fun with that, I guess.
Is this balsa wood? Damn serious.